no enye only kotoko jesis no you can dress very sharp with THB and your manti baby I told THB no money in a rich sound of you know to be ewo and to win in public any film we are can na kotoko sponsors or more lifestyle no money look sharp and they said they want call ebi a Barcelona shop na to mo Lacoste to mo ebi a mo NBA jersey say prepare if you down top ni in a rich THB and your mentor owns my sapa so obetimi enye bi ahye ewo ho nti yes nice one who are the so kama so be ata obenya bi ato kama ewo rich you get the discussion going na normal I know so ye bebo boss I think say you need more information about Nhyira the Football Association omo charges are omo the ball Chelsea 74 charges no na rich the revelations na urban e kwebisi no and yet for the name of Chelsea but I think say Chelsea as a club and so the good thing and say rich this current ownership no they've prepared for movements like this because they knew it was going to happen. That is the complications, you know. And you're good for a club to go through charges, we say. But the good thing, and say, the current owners of Chelsea, rich, not Oma prepare himself, and then we say, Ebeba. Now, Semekasa, what I must end up and make a once, rich, in May 2022, and a Todd Bowley, and a clearly consortium, no, eto Chelsea, if we Roman are born of a ginsam. Now, after in a revelation, Abba say, also Omoto Club, no, 2.5 billion pounds. Rich, time Omo exchange documents. Now, Obia Shem no my own due diligence, and son of my Chiesicano. And now, you say Todd Bowley, clearly consortium, no. Omo books in my books there are some Rebecca said discrepancy. Your web sikasem the way I report to books in my yes and no maybe to see and no maybe is so ye rich enti a sad time no and a Todd Bowley any clearly for the chair Roman about the motor club na form one say out of the 2.5 billion pounds number tian almost 100 million. Na omoni to nchen. Se ne be ya, enoma no mo hwe na ensisi no. Se daachi bi. Se de ho charges bebo omo a, they will have money enye omo na omo ye enti no. Enye omo na omo do botom sika be tia. Eye sika na ye tia for se ye dey talk club no. Enu mu bi ye tia to ho. Na daachi asamba. Ye de se sika no. Akwa kotua se fine e be bo ye de be for lawyers o ye be ye bibia. Enti rich right from May 2022, and a Todd Bowley had planned for a net the air consul. Now, since Nhyira information about rich, there are 3 players. Omo pan the media na boom mudi say omo transfers no in some way effort for a whole pa. Number 1, I tell my Chelsea Eto Eden Hazard from the French League Lille Ediaba. Number 2. And look at me, also more North London in especially Tottenham for Rombo because rich time of William ever England. We knew he was going to Tottenham. And when Chelsea fast for Omo hijacking how we you know, I'm on the side my home. Rich, say that no room and to William Esoka home. Then the third one, to me, the greatest player to have played from the African continent, Samuel Eto'o. And so Eddie no eka. Now rich, Eddie na discrepancies no, Eddie na trend, Eddie no who e books in him. No me so much change and say over negotiations are a course between Chelsea and the clubs na no mo to some players we free now. Rich, apart from Sika mo chairman clubs no Eto kwade na a free transfer any ade. Apart from Sika legally na also mu tia for players no ho rich there were some monies bi so a the same transfer subject no Emma Chelsea etia sika bi ato offshore companies bi account mu edema players no family members bi edema agents phobia omo an notify na say omo account for e wo Chelsea books dim enti ni so what asia apart from legal sika ye to Chelsea ye to e dey have the free yama new for so meje e dey 35 million yama 35 million but sa transfer na no rich ye tie sika bi e dey to offshore account bi mu ye ka offshore na say ye ka company any kunu ye tie sika bi ato ye tie sika bi ama player na ye to no nabusiafo and ye tie sika bi ama agent of the player na and also mum involved in the transfer sa sika na ye tia extra ni na no ye accounting of say ya to player we
and capture as can
simple
then the clubs you be
simple
mo ko fa mo ko fa ni me sem tu bi we jira
say enchi yes ko fo le dia che no say enchi wa
yeah
what's some ended enchi rich these are the levels of enioma almost omuhu na say dey no ameka no rich aya torbo ni clinic for na and the term fast no and come at FA ebi bi ma Premier League ebi bi ma UEFA so masa munso mu na munji o ye to club no ma ye hunie se de be adachi bi se mo ba se ma ye hwehwemu awie ni edifa mo mfa meka se yen the new owners no and ye saade no ye beto so and we are reporting it to mo se de be ya ye nsa ho nyina ebe wo ho but rich the fact that Todboy any clearly for no ankasa na omo report omo en kire say enye chance kuo no and say omo eye duty a omo ebedi for there is no way because rich ukota dia you inherit the assets you inherit the liabilities no enso so enyina e wo ho so these are the explanations a ebetimi aba eye no kre say Chelsea before which senior inchemu no ekono ebia wo bora bomb betimu sa senior be ya financial rules bit say financial fair play bit say profit and sustainability rules no omenya kwan bi omeba so omede omebu afa ho no omudi akomanim rich sa uye sa wa amonone a eye boni kese pa wo football mu any the way omo be say omo sanitize ekwan ye for football embokro no enti the Chelsea aye no so omo jitu say omo ye boni a ye ba beti an independent commissioner e betena Chelsea asem so 75 charges in na bo mu a e independent commissioner e na be kire punishment ayemfa emmo Chelsea rich punishment no e betimi ya sporting e betimi ya non sporting ye ka sporting punishment ye ka punishment e bobo kuru direct in terms of football no mo say ya tell points ya ma transfer ban and we sporting sanctions. If you bet me to Chelsea points, you bet me my transfer ban. Non-sporting punishment, no, and so a fine. Say, oh, Gamuye, no, Mobum Lasso, ya fine me say. Now, Rich, can I look for the say? I say me buy, Oma for financial experts. I'm a Oma share Omo books, as I a lot of reviews. Now, almost to say, a freedom when the fan come out F4 no kwani nyamianim nie ensa wo so bi also mu no mu di bia no omo ba omo bi omo books mu omo o so omo san fa document o meka ho no omo di abeka ho enti omo we ni mi se omo di omo hu e wa asem nim no yemfa punishment bia eye too heavy on the new owners no so for instance yen ya be so Chelsea kwonu in pempe yen ekuta club no adentina obeti ye points for money and ye say sika na see in charge fine dia ye ni cat 100 million kwat what I say
yeah already see
omo money no mo ye ya jo mu sika ye ni chia sade no enti
which is a smart move
yes enti Chelsea pay for I expect to say omo broke kakra be wo because of how omo di no crack e wa asem nim na punishment na akwa fine which they already set aside sika omo ebetimi edi echia e wo enti rich I think a normal mind very very clear with this issue, no. It's about how a normal basic in terms of the punishment. And in
I just say no idea no to me. We there me say we for. Any effort for this some. When I go for mon choma so ba money ska.
But Rich, who say
me hear mo league ni mu.
The Athletic actual article be about this. Now a portion of it man will shame and they say, oh say and no news in the by way from the Football Association from England. Now Rich, Ukwa England. The Football Association is different entity from the Premier League. As a different entity from the UEFA. Entity where Football Association, you know,
charges.
Athletics say yeah. The next will be from the Premier League. Almost separate charges. But say, so then UEFA for so UEFA had already punished Chelsea for normally saying with a fine. If they follow up, say the current 1 year basis, so no, almost over for Muna, almost use your break here. And you also be a break now almost at the Ababa. I think say Todd Bolly any clear leg for no, which Omed Jomu concerning this matter. And no everything has said you face. Kakra ewo. So that is the explanation of Chelsea near the Rich Oko.
Na no ndi eza go besaba. Unja no kama. No ndi wetu ya saba ba. Yo mo na ti koma no.
Rich yo lo bi o wa.
Ah o ko ma bi.
O ko no wa mi so bi.
But Onana pa Ayala.
Surprise o.
Yeah. Ranted and surprise.
Too much. News no and say one share wo Nhyira TV. YouTube no news in say Andrew Onana adjoining Statistical Turkey on a loan. Na Oma unveil abranti. Rich, onam kwanso awokono. One a beautiful wife. Manila and a koye. Abranti wife you want. The players
na say kra na me kan say bi oni na nya problem na ama unua.
Psychological
as affect
no problem.
It's an open move. Chairman still na bibia fa na ne problem na head ya. You go now or go post my Ayala.
I say, who's or absent minded.
Ojina park and so and also who many kevet.
Yes.
Said your brand
from central air
bar. Sweep people.
That's why you cry.
My brand and I was like, no. This one on the show about
Onana. Rich. Would you ever say so? I wouldn't take football.
The passion.
And for club set Statistical. Rich, they never dreamed so many. A huge goalkeeper. They say Onana Manabenti crowd right from the airport throughout the crowd meaning and Rich. It has not been easy. But Rich, these are the numbers. And they're troubling. Onana at Manchester United, Rich. 102 games. Rich, or conceded 150 goals. Out of the 102 games, you know, occupy clean sheet in only 24 of them. At least, or one trophy at the bottom of Hobra. Into 102 games, 150 goals. And Andre Onana a conceded. Now, Rich, to give you a deeper understanding, no. Occupy clean sheet to Manchester United in terms of percentage, only 24%. But when they compare time and Inter, Rich, throughout the career of Inter Milan, occupy 46% clean sheet.
Those that are not thing.
See what you say? Too much. Too much. So, compare no with who say about Premier League, you know. For you, Premier League, you know, big goalkeepers, and Manchester. So, I'm making a big statement on the big goalkeeper. Rich, until you know to Ederson, Alisson Becker, David Raya, Sanchez, and no more Maka, especially the big six now. Rich, look at the table. Big six goalkeepers, and no more goals were conceded last season. Rich, Ederson conceded 26, Alisson Becker conceded 29, David Raya conceded 34, Sanchez of Chelsea conceded 34, even Vicario and the Ant Postecoglou conceded 37. Rich, Andre Onana conceded 44 goals. So the numbers were so not good. Now already now corner Manchester were going to give him away. Rich, Onana caught Transport, and that brings us the end of Onana's story, with Manchester United. We were talking about injury situations. Rich, so Washa, so why you do my cha? Season that you are World Cup. Ayala in some trouble for your concerned power by injuries because we don't want to miss the stars at the World Cup. But Rich, I feel the discussion about injuries, increasing because there are more games and players neighbor. And to say, last 4 years, you have World Cup, when your players be a player man come World Cup, another season na APCD World Cup, injury situations are now you worry and say it is because players are playing too many games. Rich, from Qatar 2022 to US, Canada, Mexico 2026, it seems that within that 4 years, the conversation is that players now are playing more games, are increasing the brain. And now I know what I say. Look at Arsenal in this situation, Rich. Ben White, Bukayo Saka, Christian Norgard, Gabriel Jesus, Kai Havertz, William Saliba. Nancy Eko international break, This is a picture of Omar Marmoush. Egypt, Omukampa, Okopraye, and Ora Brentena, Rich, when you're India, a year, and ahead of the Manchester derby, Rich, that was what you were talking about. Ryan Cherky injured, Ryan Etnori injured, Marcus Martinelli injured.
I was the first to do now. I mean, I started to.
Yes. Guardiola, so why fit on? Injured. Kusanov injured. Nico Lewis injured. John Stones injured. Phil Foden, Martin Kovacic, Nico O'Reilly, Kevin Phillips, Savino, Omar Marmoush. All these players, Rich, are you available for Pep ahead of the Manchester derby? If you compare it to Arsenal, you started league term, but the injury list, idea was slow. Rich, maintenance a crown. Me person me can BB ever Monument City game this Sunday. Just like eye open a bit now me the amount 7 every year. Rich, out of the fixtures now, ever cost of Premier League. Which time the Manchester derby is the biggest. Until we will talk about it. Meaning say Ochina, we have more time to discuss game Nankasa ye. But Rich, Maminchi wa di NC adie so. Say open league table na. You may underplay Manchester derby way simply because of the positions are Rich team ahead of it. Way at 9th. Way at the 13th. And just by positions on Modano, that's a Manchester that way Moha. A full match in Moha. But Rich, Ubiji say, Ovim na all they can say, Mobessa Pep. And yet only with Baby Amuda Amudo Topu. Rich, there's another significant data here. Mobessa made the mount. Na ode koda eba ochina na yetime dwendwen ho Rich so say open league table na push goal difference na Manchester United was 0. It means say goals are match every goals are not conceded pepe. Yeah. But Rich over Manchester City goal difference is -2. It means say goals be a Manchester City ashebiano. There are some more than 2 and so any etia omo. So you go into the details. This is what I'm talking about. Manchester about 3 games. We have 4 goals. We are conceding 4. And these are the attacking statistics. Man City about 3 games. We have 5 goals. We are conceding 4. And so and these are the attacking statistics. But Rich, there is something. Say boy. The frequency a team be any creative chance. And in in statistics your friend SG into born na ye born when na the born pa e create chance senka onya clinical finishes no omuti the born to atena mu a then oye likely so be win game no Rich observe something wa we started from City there no Rich so Osha City SG no any 2-2 say over Manchester SG now you get it 32 now Rich in more of statistical terms Ubechi say Rich this season in the Premier League and until I saw this statistics from Prime Video no let me wonder say Rich even Omo that top in the Premier League Liverpool, Arsenal, Chelsea, any other na Rich Manchester and this season award the highest SG 6.78
goes boy home.
yes Manchester and award the highest SG say boy no more born sanka like they are able to create chances on committing convert here and go more likely a team in the Premier League followed by Chelsea 6.70 Brighton and Hove Albion 6.21 Man City 5.84 Arsenal 4.67 now Rich me issue me say everybody saying that Liverpool any list to him but they are scoring a lot of goals
and the question will be to Manchester 6.78 more to strikers me still multi goals
Oko live score say Abrantes friend Matthias Cunha already at Manchester United about 58 shots 58 or only one goal from open play since Oba Manchester United. It's Rich
problem no
some of the best SG in the Premier League they are.
Your clinical finisher.
Yes, your strikers must start scoring. And if someone team starts almost there, then probably yes, goals will win you the games.
Sure.
Until you start goals now, it will change the face of the games, you know. At the moment when you're just a tip of the iceberg ahead of the Manchester derby now, you have a bono Ochina on the tactical board. Now I play out on Sunday, you know. It's my mate na se kwa na abedi your Premier League mun komo no na my mamu course bi na ye fam kosi kafie na Friday na you say be buy na me read comments bi na mesre un comment correct
David
obi say me kan chira wo say mayu casting ni reason nyina na say I think the message ni koto can read it now the reason you know say ose men kan tell say mo ma team no enra ewo the man Champions League
it's my house friend to be able to send me
na mama man do that rich emo mu show emo mu win o dey come show one goal and can no us na me mo ni
na boy yema team na say
no see o adabraka into obi say
from men to the women
obi say we better na we down man you the way we see down ni man you sam no
Manchester United
and the 3 goals Monday and then Friday and then the man you be enti and ma every ko ye first one no BW 109 9E 08A BW 109 9E 08A then the next one also a BW 109 A0 557 BW 109 A0557 and the last one also a BW 109 A4 D2F 83 betway course BW 109 A4 D2F BW 109 A0557 BW 109 9E08A 3 betway course ye be hu sana na ye se bibi papi banti na wafa na ode aye de ode be
Dan kwa base ma go see is